guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this look. It's everyday go-to look for me. It's just very easy, very basic, you know. And I'm gonna be reviewing this little eyeshadow highlighter and contour mini palette from Slick Makeup. Here is the highlighters. It's very pretty, and here are the eyeshadows that I'm gonna be using for this look. They are from Slick Makeup. Here is the little contour palette. The only thing with the contour palette is since they didn't have the medium shade tone, so I asked for the deep anyway, deep or dark, whatever they call, because I asked them, they are a little kit that come with the 3 little palettes and liquid lipstick. I really ordered because I wanted the highlighters so I ordered the deep one anyway, but the concealer contour is too dark for my skin tone, so I can't work with this. So it's still close, still have the little plastic here, so I'm just gonna put this on the side with another stuff that when I'm doing a giveaway, so I just put in and bless somebody with. So if it is your first time watching, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you're returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watch my video. I appreciate you a bunch, for real. I also gonna be using for this look, I'm using this number 7 a tinted moisturizer. It's very good, the finish is very pretty. It's a light coverage, but you know, for like an everyday use, for me it's perfect if I'm not in the mood to wear foundation. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's do this. Alright guys, so I already have my eyebrows made and my face and my eyes primed. So before we start with this everyday makeup look, I'm gonna start with this neutral shade here from this little palette from Slick Makeup. The palette is very cute. Here's the shades. So let's start to work on this look. I have my mirror here, so if I'm looking down, sorry, okay? I'm just working. Alright, now just I'm gonna go in with this flat brush with this beautiful shade here. It's like a kind of shimmery light shade. The quality, it's fine. It's, you know, it's very affordable. I think this I got a little kit that came with the eyeshadow. Yeah, that's what came with the kit. And the eyeshadow highlighter. I really love the highlighter. I'm gonna show you guys. I have up there, and this little concealer palette. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade over here for transition shade. It's like I don't know, medium transition shade. Wow, that shade is tinted. With this it's like a matte with a touch of very light shimmery here. just on the monobrow. So you give it a little pop. So far I like working with the quality of the shadows. They are okay. I just wanna, you know, see how they're gonna hold on throughout the day. City light. I don't know if you guys can read or my light's good enough. Yeah, so this one is in the shade medium. To the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep. To the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep. Like for my everyday go-to look, like today, I prefer a light shade. That's why I went to a tinted moisturizer instead of a foundation. You know, because the eyes, it's, you know, it's not like so exaggerate, so I like to keep a simple all over the face and just make the eyes pop. And that's it. Just not a good primer and a tinted moisturizer should do. I don't think I'm gonna put a concealer today, because I'm trying to keep. Yeah, I'm not gonna apply concealer. I'm not in need of blush. This highlighter, right? So first I'm gonna try a little bit of the creamy one over here. Ooh, it's very creamy. Yeah, very beautiful. You just gotta be careful with, because it's very pigmented, so you gotta go building up. Now let's try this matte liquid lipstick from Sleep Makeup. My mirror here. I love the shade. It's a beautiful pink. Almost match my shirt. So the shade is Happy. Yes, so I love it. So this is the finished look, guys. It's like a gold, very pretty. Here they are. I like the packaging too, and the eyeshadows. I have to wear them and see how they hold on throughout the day. So far so good. They are easy to work with. They blend well. So that's it. Oh yes, and the tinted moisturizer from number 7. It's pretty too. I really love the finish. It's just very lightweight. Give you like a, you know, a light coverage, but with a dewy sheer kind of finish, and very pretty. I loved it. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed.